Would you like to know what's inside the best bead box for the month of July? Keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Luisa. I'm so glad you could join me today. We're going to be opening up the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box for the month of July. And I'm so excited because I love that box. Those of you who subscribe know what I'm talking about. Now, if you're not familiar with the subscription, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. But basically, it's a box that includes a wonderful sampler of beads and a project or two, depending on which box you choose. The Best Bead Box XL is twice as big and it contains twice as many items and 2 projects. But today we're going to be opening up the Best Bead Box. Potomac Beads is also very well known for their multi-hole beads. So if you're a bead weaver, this is the perfect box for you, so you can try different beads and beads that you may not have tried before. And yes, I'm wearing the necklace from the previous box. It is so gorgeous. Now, I didn't follow the pattern exactly. You know how I am. I always have to add my own little spin. But I made a few changes to the tassel and to the beaded components as well. Just some slight changes. But I thought it turned out really nice. As you can see, here's the pendant. And here are the strands. Very pretty. I love these colors. They're so gorgeous. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. I can't wait to see what's in this box, and I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of project they're going to give us. Here's the box, and as always, I'm going to show off the magnetic closure because I think it's so neat, and it's such a sturdy box, great for storage. All right, let's see what's inside. The name of the box is called Swan Lake, and it reads, "Embark on an adventure of color and excitement with this month's Best Bead subscription box. Find inspiration in tail silvery sage-colored willows gently swaying in the breeze next to a crystal blue lake, while the music of leaves shifting in the wind and the soft scents of summer permeate the air. Like a cygnet transforming into a majestic swan, use the cool, refreshing hues of blues and greens to emerge a better beader with this month's Swan Lake Best Bead subscription box." Isn't that beautiful? I love the description of their boxes. They do such a great job. So on the back are the contents, as you can see. And here are the contents for the pattern. And here are the rest of the contents. And here's the project. And it's called Rhythmic Raw Necklace, Right Angle Weave Necklace. And here are all the materials. Okay, pretty cool. It's a 21-inch long necklace. And here are the step-by-step instructions, very easy to read. Now, if you have trouble reading instructions, especially if you're a beginner, I know sometimes if you're a beginner it's difficult to read the instructions of a bead weaving project. You can always go on their YouTube channel. They always have a video for all of their projects, and you would just type in Rhythmic RAW Raw Necklace and it should come up. Okay, here are the contents. Let me go ahead and pull them out of the box. So here are all the contents. These are the contents for the project in their own little baggie, and these are the rest. So we're going to go through these first. We have a 3-gram bag of Miyuki seed beads in the size 15-0, and the color is galvanized silver. Very nice. I'm not going to take them out because they're too small and they'll end up all over my board. And we have a 4-gram bag of Miyuki seed beads in the size 11-0, and the color is silver lined olive, and it says A. I'm assuming they mean AB. Sometimes it gets cropped, but I think that's what that means. But yeah, these have AB finish on them. Look how pretty. A greenish color. Very nice. And here we have a 7-inch strand of gemstone round beads in a 4mm size, and it's an amethyst bead. Look at that. Look how pretty this purple is. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Very nice and very good quality. You can tell by the size of the beads, they're all pretty consistent. Gorgeous. We have a 7-gram bag of Toho seed beads in the size 11-0, and the color is semi-glazed honeydew, and there's a number 1 on there. I'm not sure what that means, but you can see it's a greenish color, very nice, and it's a matte finish. And we have another bag of Toho seed beads in the size 8-0, and it's a 5-gram bag, and the color is semi-glazed navy blue. And these are matte finish as well, as you can see. And then finally for the project, we have a silver toned lobster claw clasp, or silver plated I should say. So anyway, it looks like it's going to be a very nice necklace, and I'm looking forward to trying this project. Alright, let's go ahead and go through the rest of the items. We have 2 check glass arabesque diamond beads, and they're 19 by 9 millimeters in size. And as you can see, they're a diamond shape, and they're actually semi-transparent, so you can see a little bit through them. They're kind of a taupe color on one end and a bluish color on the other end. And here they are on my rod, so you can see how they're drilled. Aren't these beautiful, guys? Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. They have kind of like a vintage look or a distressed look. I love these. And here we have a 2-gram bag of check glass faceted rounds, and they're 3 millimeters in size, and the color is turquoise lilac. It looks like it's cropped there, but I think it says lilac. And here they are on my rod. I didn't put all of them on there, there's still some left, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what they look like up close. So they do look like they have some kind of a coating on them. I don't think it's AB. I'm not sure what kind of plating it is, but it kind of looks a little bit pink from certain angles. Very pretty. And here we have a 4-gram bag of Potomac crystal rondelle beads, and the size is 2 by 3 millimeters, and the color is metallic something. I don't know what it is again because it's cropped, but you can always go to the website and put this item number in 32772, and it'll give you the exact color and everything. Well, I just looked it up, and it's actually metallic green iris. So anyway, I should have done that before. But these are very pretty. I love this size. They come in so handy. And here we have 5 silver-plated curved tube beads, and they're 37 by 2 millimeters in size. These are actually a lot of fun to use on memory wire. I've used them many times. And these look like they're pretty good quality. It says on the bag premium 99.9% pure silver plated. I don't know if that makes a difference, but they look very nice. And here we have a bag of silver plated bead caps. They're 5 millimeters in size, and there are 50 bead caps in this bag. I have not seen bead caps in their boxes in a while, so it's nice to see that for a change. And these are silver plated. And here's another item that I haven't seen. It's a bag of 50 silver plated crimp beads. The size is 2 millimeters. Well, that's what it says in the list, but on the bag it actually says 1.5 by 1.5 millimeters. So I don't know which is which. Again, we can always go to the website and check the item number 153221 to see exactly what the size is. Well, I just checked, and the website does say 1.5 by 1.5 millimeters. In any case, it's a very nice size. And here we have a 3-gram bag of Potomac crystal bicones. They're 3 millimeters in size, and the color is Emerald AB. And here they are threaded on. I love Potomac crystal, I really do. You have Swarovski, which is at the top, okay, if you want to talk about quality. And then the next one down would be Preciosa. And I would say the third one down in terms of quality would be the Potomac crystals. But that's just my personal opinion, okay, I could be wrong. Aren't these lovely? I love this color. And here's a 7-gram bag of Potomac crystal bicones again, but this size is the 4 millimeter size, and the color is green opal. As you can see, they are shiny, but they're not transparent, okay? So opal is kind of milky and a little bit translucent, just a little bit. So you can see a little light shining through. But anyway, I love any kind of opal bead. I just think it's such a nice color. Here's a bag of Miyuki bugle beads. They're 6 millimeters in size, and it's a 3-gram bag, and the color is metallic dark blue iris. So if these are Miyuki, you know they're good quality. Miyuki is usually pretty consistent when it comes to the shape and the size of the beads. And here they are on the rod. It's a little difficult to see because they're dark, but they're your basic bugle bead. And finally, we have a 4-gram bag of check glass tubelet beads. The size is 6 by 2.8 millimeters, and the color is crystal etched vitriol. And here they are. As you can see, it's a very frosted type of finish. They call it etched. So it's kind of like a frosted bead, but a little bit heavier frost, I would say. You can actually see some texture on the surface. And each one has a little bit of a plating on one side, as you can see. Very pretty. And I like tubelet beads because the edges are actually rounded, so they don't cut your thread if you use them on fire line or wildfire or beading thread. So that's one of the nice things about this tube bead. Okay everybody, well that's it for the month of July, and I really love it. It's very pretty, and I'm definitely looking forward to making this project. I think I am going to make this necklace. It looks lovely. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and come back and say goodbye. All right everybody, that's all for today. I'm definitely going to make that project. I'll definitely show you if I do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's drift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence. Feel the wind as it touches your lips. Feel the sun as you close your eyelids. Think of a place where there's only brightness. Take me by the hand and we'll try to find it. Time stands still as we